Okay, we got ourselves the Batmobile, a 1981 Chevy Corvette. This is Stingray. Basically, we gave him the Clifford 3305 to arm the system. You're gonna hit lock. Locks your doors. Put the LED here in the corner of the windshield because he's got tint wrapped around the car, and if I would have stuck it inside, I don't think you will be able to see it. So we went ahead and put it right there in the corner of the windshield for him. If somebody walks up and they try to bust off the key lock or bang on the glass, the alarm will fire off. It gives you the little hammer letting you know that the alarm was fired off. If somebody opens the door, and then it's going to flash the little door in the picture, letting you know the door is open. I don't know at this point if this cylinder works. What do you know? It does work. They gave him the shock sensor because the shock sensor picked it up, but I guess the door's a little jammed up. I'm gonna have the owner open the door with the key. He knows the car better than I do. Okay. Alright. It will fire off and I'll give you the hooked up to the interior light, so we'll give him the door alert. Basically, it's got the starter kill, so when the alarm fires off, the car is dead. This thing is a beauty. I haven't seen this puppy in such a long time. Basically, when we first started installing alarms back in '87, there was still a few of these that we were knocking out. It was more popular back then. I'm going to go ahead and hold the panic button down. Okay. I gave him the door locks. So locks your doors when you disarm it. Unlocks all the doors. One chirp is armed. Normally you'll get 2 beeps when you turn it off. Okay. But if you get 4 chirps, that means that the alarm was fired off, and the minute you start the car, it will erase the memory and it will go back to 2 chirps. So 1 beep is on, 2 beeps is off, 4 beep means the alarm was triggered. Sometimes when you arm and disarm, it has a little delay because it's got the code hopping, so somebody can't sit there and try to knock out the frequency and make an extra remote control in a parking lot. But that's pretty much it. If you arm it on a daily use, there's really no lag. It's just when you sit there and you hammer it on and off real quick, you know, see, there's really no delay. This alarm was installed in this 1981 Corvette here in Miami by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video.